Hi, this is Robert Galarowitz, naturopath and nutritionist. And did you know there are 100% natural remedies for reversing your impaired kidney function? I suffered for years with advanced stage kidney disease, and finally, my kidneys totally failed, so I had dialysis and eventually surgery to implant a cadaver kidney. And I experienced worry and fear every day that someday my donor kidney will fail. From my own personal experience, I can deeply understand how a person with advanced stage kidney disease suffers on dialysis. And I want to help you avoid dialysis and the horrors of a kidney transplant surgery. I want to help you with over 7 tips to better kidney health in this video. Today, after years of proven kidney healing experience helping myself and my clients, I'm known as an expert on kidney disease. I help people who suffer from this
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.
horrible disease, improve their kidney health, regain function, and even avoid or postpone dialysis or a kidney transplant forever. Medical tests don't lie. More than 1,000 people have tested this all-natural kidney restoration program, and their own medical results prove it's saving their kidneys and it is drastically improving the quality of their lives. Find out what people with kidney problems are saying about this new all-natural kidney healing program. Kidney damage stage reduced. Stage 4 reduced to stage 3. I followed the diet and took the herbs, and I reversed the severity of my kidney disease from a stage 4 to a 3. I'm thrilled with my results. I'll continue to take the herbs and do the diet to help improve my kidney function even more in the coming weeks. My life is changing for the better. I'm so happy to say my renal doctor says my kidney disease is reversing. Gladys Martinez in Florida, United States. No more dialysis. My kidney doctor says I don't need dialysis. I don't have headaches or daily nausea anymore, and that is a true godsend. When I started the program, I was surprised it was easier than I thought to make the simple changes I needed to do to reverse my kidney damage. My medical doctor was really surprised at my recovery with this program, and the best part is I don't have to go to dialysis. Richard Picard from the US. Kidney numbers improved. I was skeptical, but I had nothing to lose. I couldn't just sit around and do nothing like my doctor suggested. They didn't want me to do anything or to take supplements, but I had to try something. They just wanted me to wait for dialysis. This program allowed me to take control of my health. I went from a stage 4 to stage 3 kidney disease. It was easy to do, and my BUN, creatinine, and anemia are all in better ranges. Mary Hall from Alameda, California. Even medical doctors approve it. My patient is doing better than I could have imagined. I've been impressed by how well researched and complete this program is. This all-natural kidney restoration program takes into the account the factors of kidney disease and gives you many options and information to help your kidneys return to their natural good health. As a medical doctor, I look at the risk and benefits of all treatments before making a recommendation. That said, this program definitely gets my thumbs up. Dr. John Rhee, medical doctor, United States. In this video, I'll show you how to easily and permanently stop the progression of your kidney disease and even avoid dialysis. The shocking truth about kidney disease. If you have kidney disease, then your doctor probably told you there aren't many treatment options available except dialysis and going through the horrors of a kidney transplant, but that's not true. There are real solutions for stopping the progression and even reversing your kidney disease. You can improve or even stop your kidney disease from progressing using 100% all-natural methods without dialysis. 100% all-natural treatment scientifically proven to repair kidney damage. Here are just a few of the kidney healing secret tips you need to know. Kidney treatment secret number 1. The delicious superfood blueberries is loaded with special compounds that reverses free radical kidney cell damage. Kidney treatment secret number 2. Dietary and supplemental fiber is used by Middle Eastern doctors to clear out potent kidney-destroying toxins. Ridding your kidneys of these toxins is very important. Kidney treatment secret number 3. The essential fatty acid fish oil reduces inflammation and corrects heart complications seen in kidney disease. But if you don't use the proper dose, it won't provide your kidney with any benefit. Kidney treatment secret number 4. You must avoid red meat if you suffer from kidney problems. In France, renal doctors advise their patients to avoid this food as it speeds up kidney disease. Kidney treatment secret number 5. The super nutrient CoQ10 gives significant results in helping kidney problems, lowering blood pressure, and study participants reported a boost in energy and focus. Kidney treatment secret number 6. Vitamin D extends the life of your kidneys, slows down the progression of renal diseases, improves muscle, bone strength, and significantly decreases your risk of related diseases and complications. And did you know that if your vitamin D level is in a certain range on your blood test, it increases the benefits even more? And if you read the webpage below, I have a few more kidney treatment secret tips you can begin using right now. My no dialysis needed, all natural kidney health and kidney function restoration program is a step-by-step plan to help heal your kidneys naturally and safely. Here are some amazing success stories. 85% improvement in kidney function. Reginald followed the program and lost 18 pounds, lessening his medication and gained back kidney function. 4 years and still no dialysis. Jennifer was getting ready for dialysis when she started my program. Next visit to her doctor, she gained back her kidney function and has been stable ever since. Vinny was able to get kidney function back and has been stable for 6 years. Vinny Delhari has polycystic kidney disease and lost some of his kidneys function. Through following the program and diet, he's improved his kidneys and has been doing well.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,